Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys what I packed in my carry-on, and this time we're going to be talking about toiletries and extras. So in this area right here I have all the miscellaneous items. On this area right here it's mostly all the electronics that I took with me on this trip, and over here I have most of the toiletries, anything that I'll be using in the shower, including my flip-flops. So we'll start off with all of the liquids. You are allowed a quart-sized clear plastic baggie with all the liquids being 3.4 ounces or less. So I was able to pack my shampoo, my conditioner, which shockingly lasted the whole trip, my acne treatment, my oil-free makeup remover, scented lotion, scented hand sanitizer, nail polish, my day and my night cream, lipstick and my rolling perfume, 2 different shades of my liquid foundation, my concealer and my primer, my mascara and my under eye corrector, and my toothpaste. Alright, now taking all of the little liquids that I packed, we're going to put it in the bag. Now I know this bag is a little bigger than what I told you guys, that quart-sized baggie, but I was also able to fit all this into the quart-sized bag because I found out that the medications don't need to be part of the liquids, they just let it go through as long as the prescription has your name on it and it matches your passport. Everything else, like I told you, fit in the bag without a problem. I was just able to stuff it correctly, and so this is what you will have at the end once you pack all your little liquids into the clear bag. Alright, up next is the makeup bag. So what I include in my makeup bag is my powder along with my tweezers, my eyelash curler, and mini scissors. I also packed with me chapstick and a blush brush and a powder brush and a foundation brush, a nail filer, my beauty blender, the blush, and 2 hair clips. And that completes my makeup baggie. Something else I do recommend bringing is a little box full of any meds that you think you may need, such as Tylenol or any painkillers that you use, Excedrin, Imodium, Benadryl, Alka-Seltzer, anything that may help if you're feeling a little sick while abroad. And I also recommend bringing a box that's full of first aid things such as band-aids, alcoholic wipes, anything of that sort. It'll be extremely useful when you least expect it. Alright, so in this baggie I'm going to include the rest of my toiletries. I brought with me some razors, a sponge, my deodorant, my toothbrush, floss, Q-tips, and my Cetaphil bar soap. For these items over here, we want to pack as much as we can into one place. Of course, there are certain things like the hair dryer that's going to be separate, but things such as your camera devices, you're going to put them together. And I'm actually going to put my lock with me. But all the chargers, such as my camera charger, my adapter, my phone charger, and the portable chargers, I'm going to try to keep together so that they're easily accessible, such as in my little fanny pack. The necklace and my belt I will put elsewhere along with my camera. I've included pepper spray, but actually you're not allowed to travel with pepper spray, so please do not. Well, at least you're not able to travel with pepper spray on carry-on, unless it's sealed, but even then it's a little iffy, so I don't really recommend it. Once everything is set, you zip it all up and you're ready for the next part. There you have it. This is how I packed my carry-on for a month in Europe. Let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment down below and let me know how you pack your luggage and what you include in your carry-on. And if you have any tips that I missed, go ahead and drop them down below. Give a video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because the upcoming videos will consist of everything that I experienced in Europe. Bye guys! Thanks for watching!